Hello everybody, this is a short video to show you how to join yarns together. I'm doing a project, it's a mat, as you can see it's multicoloured and I'm just using up a load of old yarn. So all you need is your new colour and a pair of scissors. So I've chosen another red. These yarns aren't all the same brands, but they're the same thickness, which is obviously what you need, but depending on which project you're doing. Okay, so there's the old colour, the blue, and I'm going to join the red. So you quite simply put the new colour round the old colour and do a slip knot. Put it nice and tightly. Stretch the yarns together and then do a slip knot there. Put it nice and tight and you can see. But now gently pull the long ends. You can see they're pulling together. At this point, I'm just going to tighten the knots up. Just pull all the ends. Then take the long ends again, pull together, and give it a good tug. Now the great thing about this knot is actually you can cut very close to the knot. And with chunky yarn, that quite literally just gets lost in the project. There you go, Bob's your uncle, ready to continue with your project. Thank you for watching.